Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN HR Falster 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the Crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, tap on it. The icon will change the color. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode on at the top of the quick panel. And also, if you go back to watch face, you will see that the Do Not Disturb mode icon appeared on the watch face, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, open the quick panel, tap on the icon. The message Do Not Disturb mode off will appear, the icon will change the color back to gray, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.